How to reset survivor.io account. Now, in this very quick video, I'm going to show you how you can reset or erase your survivor.io account. Now, if you go ahead and pull up the application itself and then going into the three lines at the upper left, then going to settings, going to account, there is actually no available option for you to be able to reset account. Even if you go into feedback, save issues, and say you want to start a new game. Now, what is stating here is you just need to reinstall the application, which is actually a lot of work. Now, what you want to need to do here conveniently is to locate your survivor.io application. So say right here, you just need to tap and hold on the survivor.io app icon and choose on the I so that you will be redirected to app info. Scroll down and then under usage, choose on storage. So there's two specific options below, which is clear data and clear cache. What you want to have to choose is to clear data for you to be able to reset the account that you log in into this app. That's it. That's the most convenient way for you to reset your survivor.io account.